Hey everyone, who wants to go shopping with me? Woohoo! So I am on my way to just do a little bit of shopping and go to a special lunch, and I can't wait to take you with me. So let's go shopping. So I'm here. I just wanted to come visit this store because I had a coupon for $5 off, and I haven't been to the thrift store in forever. So I am at Savers. So trying to find a shirt. Okay, so I wasn't able to find the shirt that I'm looking for, and I'll tell you more about that, but I did find some good stuff, and I will show you that soon. So now I'm in my second store, Old Navy. So I don't normally shop there very often, but I got Old Navy cash or something, so I'm going to try to see if I could use it. I mean, shopping with coupons and perks is always the best way to go, right? Okay, these are cute. Look at this dress. So pretty. Okay, this is so nice. I love like fall colors. So sometimes I go to Old Navy and I score. Like I get so many clearance things like the last time. This time I only got a few things, but I was still able to use that $10 off. So I can't wait to show you everything that I got. And now it is lunchtime, and I can't wait to go to the next place because it's one of my faves. I have lived in Las Vegas for over 20 years, and if you've watched me for a while, you know every time that I go to California, I always go to this place, and now it's here. Oh. Okay, first lunch, and then I'll show you what I bought. And I think I'm getting the feeling, because I was gonna make a quick dinner, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do some apple dandy with our dinner. That'll be so good. So I'll show you how to do that too. So man, this is like the best day ever. Let me show you this delicious sandwich. I'm a huge fan of vegetarian sandwiches, and I am like not into like, I think lunch meat is very salty, or it has lots of extra flavor that doesn't need. So when I find a good lunch meat, it's like I buy it a lot. But this is just cheese and avocado. Look at that, you guys. They ice cream scoop that. There's lettuce, tomato, and cucumbers too, with provolone cheese. I'm so excited to eat it. And then I'll show you what I bought. Okay, all done with that yummy lunch. So I have to show you what I got. So this little shirt, that's so cute. Kind of got those fall colors, and it's got a V-neck. This was like $10. So that's probably the most, oh no, I got one more thing though. Yeah, $10.99. It was on the clearance. So look at that. You just never know what you're gonna find on the clearance. Kind of weird that I'm doing this in my kitchen. So sometimes I will buy things that are even bigger than for me, because if I'm home and it's baggy. So I thought, you know what, this dress, I think it's like a size up, but that's okay because it's okay. But isn't it just so cute? So it's gonna be baggy big, and it was $6. So that's why I don't mind like sizing up if it's like way cheap, because then I can put it in the dryer. So there's that. So cute. It's got a little scoopy neck, like the front. So that is very cute. And Ezra, I got you something. These are on the clearance as well. They're the Olympic sweatshirts. He's over here doing sign language to me. He loves me. All right, so I got it in royal blue. because his soccer colors are royal blue. So that's what I was looking for, guys. I was looking for a shirt that was royal blue so I could wear it to his games. So I'll still be on the lookout, I guess. So do you want to try it on? All right, he's ready. Look at how cute he looks. So it is, I think that was like $10.99 as well. So cute. So perfect for soccer too. All right, now I'm gonna show you everything that I got for the thrift store. So every time I go to the thrift store, I like to get my kids jeans. So I love like the worn out look. You know, I don't go with the holes, so I'm always looking. Levi's, Old Navy, Gap, you know, any of those kinds of brands are really good in jeans. And so I'm just getting Ezra his size, so size 10, so he's moved up. And these are $6.50, so that's way cheaper than buying them, right? And I used to go to Savers on Mondays when everything was half off. And so I would get them for like $3, which makes me sad that they weren't $3, but whatever. So $6.50 for that. I also got another dress for $5.50. I just thought it looked so comfy. And it's long sleeve, and it's got pockets. I love pockets, right? Those are the best. So the brand name, I don't really know this brand name, Nanoa, but it's cotton, it's flowy, it's red and pretty, and I don't have a dress in red. So when I teach, especially in the winter, I just love to wear leggings underneath my my dresses, and then I wear like my farm boots, really, because who else is gonna see me here at home? All right, another thing I got. Jonas has been wanting to do some vintagey shirts, so I found a couple. Then I took pictures of them, and he was like, maybe I don't want to do that right now, but I had already bought them, too late. But they are like a Star Wars and a Flash, and they're like made kind of like a similar like worn and thin cotton. So I do not buy shirts that are stiff. You know what I'm talking about, the stiff kind of cotton that has like a thicker neck. I don't buy that. These are like, they feel like they're worn out, vintaged, and like super soft and comfy. And then the last thing I got was just a skirt. So just a nice little skirt for $3.99. And it's made out of mostly polyester. I can feel it. So I don't have to iron it. And so when I'm trying to hurry up in the morning, this will be a very, very good skirt to put on quickly. And look, with this shirt even, that will be so cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and get started on some dinner. So why don't we start on some apple dandy? This recipe is so easy, so quick. And so that's why I have to add it into this video, because it's gonna be done and it's gonna be dinner time and you'll be happy to know how to make it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is rinse some apples and slice them as thin as possible. And then I am toasting up all of this bread that's in here. Now, if you don't like raisin bread, that's okay. Trader Joe's and other places I've seen, they just have the cinnamon bread. That works fine. Use plain bread, it'll be great too. So, especially if you have a honey butter, oh, you can get like wacky with some of these combinations that is gonna make it delicious. So let me get these all started. I'm gonna put them on a pan and I'm gonna butter them. So let's see, I think I need to share some apples with this one here. But you can see it's just a little bit of apple, nicely thin sliced. And what we're gonna do is add a little bit of brown sugar on top. So just a little, you could even just sprinkle it with your fingers. But we're just trying to get a little coating. I'm gonna do it with my fingers because that's just easier. But preheat your oven to 400 degrees and we're just going to give this a little bit of a broil, a low broil at 400 for a few minutes. So I'm just gonna kind of stick around near the oven just to kind of keep my eye on it. All right, they are ready to go in. Wow, take a look at this. My kitchen is smelling all kinds of delicious. And so we're not done. The last part is just taking a slice of cheese and putting it on top. You could do a whole slice, but I'm just gonna do half slices. And this is just Velveeta or Kraft singles, I mean. If you have cheddar cheese, it would be good. All the cheeses, I think, would be super good. So, and then we're gonna put this back into the oven for just a couple minutes just to let that cheese melt, and then it's done. Done. So we're gonna be also having soup tonight. We're having this soup. My son Jonas loves this. It was really good. I haven't had any yet, so verdict's still out for me, but we're gonna be having this with our dinner. Look how delicious this is. You know I have to take a sample test, right? Because that's what a chef does, taste the food. Okay. It smells like all kinds of fall scents in here. That is so good. It's got like all the flavors, like sweet and like salty from the bacon, crunchy, soft. That is definitely a showstopper. It is delicious. Let me know down below if you make something like this or a version of this apple dandy. It is delicious. So thanks so much, rollers, for going shopping with me, for going to go eat that yummy sandwich at Togo's, and to do some cooking. Best day ever, right? You got to shop and cook and eat with me. So have a wonderful day, friends. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.